Today, we're breaking down the 14th Amendment, one of the most powerful and far-reaching amendments in the entire Constitution. If the 13th Amendment ended slavery, the 14th Amendment answered the next question: what does freedom actually mean in law? This amendment reshaped citizenship, equality, and the relationship between the people and the government. Almost every major civil rights case in American history traces back to this single amendment. The 14th Amendment begins by defining citizenship. All persons born or naturalized in the United States are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. This overturned the Supreme Court's Dred Scott decision, which said Black people could never be citizens. For the first time, citizenship was guaranteed by birth, not dependent on race, not controlled by individual states. This clause still governs debates about immigration and national identity today. The amendment also protects the privileges and immunities of citizens. This was meant to ensure that states could not strip people of basic rights simply because of who they were. Although courts later narrowed this clause, it laid the foundation for the idea that citizenship carries enforceable rights. The 14th Amendment guarantees due process, meaning the government must follow fair procedures before taking away life, liberty, or property. This applies to arrests, trials, incarceration, property seizures. It also extended constitutional protections to the states, not just the federal government. Most of the rights people associate with the Bill of Rights now apply at the state level because of the 14th Amendment. The Equal Protection Clause states that no state may deny any person the equal protection of the laws. This clause became the backbone of desegregation, civil rights laws, voting rights cases, gender equality cases. It's why discrimination by the government is subject to constitutional challenge. Equality under the law became a constitutional requirement, not a suggestion. The 14th Amendment gave Congress the power to enforce its provisions. This shifted power away from states that violated rights and toward federal oversight. It made civil rights enforceable, not symbolic. The 14th Amendment is at the center of modern legal debates: policing, voting access, education, marriage, immigration. If you've heard terms like due process or equal protection, you're hearing the 14th Amendment at work. The 14th Amendment redefined what it means to belong in America. It made citizenship real. It made equality enforceable. And it made constitutional rights apply to everyone in every state. Understanding this amendment is essential to understanding modern America. In the next episode, we'll continue forward and examine how voting rights were further expanded after Reconstruction.